Today I'm going to show you this beautiful technique that I learned. I learned it in Puerto Rico. This is the best thing for everybody. First you have to brush your hair. Now you have to look here, look here.
Okay.
Here. You see me here?
Yes, I see.
And then, no me puede ver aquí.
Yes, I see you.
Okay, then brush your hair like this. Yo aprendí que I'm going to put something here to hold it. See?
Mm-hmm.
I just wash my hair, so my hair is a little bit damp, but it's okay. Entonces I take one piece, me lo peino, me lo echo para atrás, trato de hacérmelo así, me cojo otro pedacito más. I have to do this really fast because I have to make the arroz con andule today.
For who are you making it for?
For my son, today's his birthday, Michael.
For Michael? Yeah.
See, so I'm making it, I really take my time, but it's very easy.
It looks good. Like it could be done.
But my hair, I don't know how it's going to be because it's a little bit damp.
Yeah.
But when you want to go, this is the best thing. And I sleep with it, and then me pongo un shower cap. Y me dura. Voy a ponerme este por ahora, because I can't find the other one. Y me lo dejo así, porque tengo que hacer el arroz con andule. See, right there.
Okay.
Y no te hace daño. It's no heat.
This one would probably see a little better, because I'm on this side.
See?
It looks pretty easy.
Yeah, it is. And my hands are the same color. Because everybody tells me que yo me pongo para que se me vea purple. I put this little solution. It's really good.
Wait, hold it. Please put that. Oh,
It has a lot of good ingredients. So it makes it a little purple because I can't have it really purple because I work for the city of Miami. And I don't think...
You never do it like this with your hand. Look.
They don't think...
I'm doing it right here. Hey, even better.
They allow that to have a lot of color in your hair. And for my age, it doesn't look good to have so much color in your hair.
Yeah, but it looks nice though. It's different, that's for sure.
Se me salió un poquito.
Okay.
And it's okay, because I'm still practicing, porque llevo nada más son 2 semanas making it, so give me time.
Let me go back to the mirror. I think the mirror is good also.
Just curl it. Después que tú coges la experiencia, I think they have it on YouTube. Tú puedes prender más rápido. But listen, the way I do it, I like it, and I sleep with it, and it's really, really good.
And it works.
It works.
It works. That's the key.
Y no tengo que tener nothing hot.
Yeah,
You know,
no
for
hot.
my hair, it's gonna damage my hair, you know.
Right. This is like a kind of like a
No
natural way.
No chemicals, no filter. We don't have no filter. This is me. I don't use filters. You know why I don't use filters? Because I don't know how to use them.
Well, that's okay.
Be honest with you.
That's okay.
Okay, entonces me voy a poner, ¿qué es la otra? La otra cosita se me cayó. Ay, se me cayó. Pues so far, me voy a poner esta aquí, for now, hasta que voy allá a la coqueta y busco algo. Then, me hago, como voy a cocinar el arroz con andure ahora, I'm going to wrap it up because I don't want no hair to be in my arroz con andule because people are going to eat. This thing starts at 1 o'clock. It's like a brunch. Okay, so that's it.
All right.
I want to try to fix this one.
No, it
I'm
looks
putting
good.
a little cap, and that's it. You're going to see the results later on. Bye.